Puppy.
Right now, I just took a trip to Austin, about an hour out of Austin from Houston, Texas. I just got this little boat that I bought. Maybe you guys can see it back there, I'm not sure. But I just bought this boat. It's a 17-foot boat. It's a G3. It's a 1996 model. It has 115 horsepower in the back. That's pretty crazy. Another one hits the dust. Here's the boat. And my daughter's so excited. So here's the motor. It's an even and rude 115 horsepower. The motor looks pretty clean. Doesn't look bad. Got a Renegade 4-prop. Transom looks pretty good. Looks pretty solid. Nothing looks bad. Brand new batteries from 2024. Overall, the trailer, all the lights on the trailer don't work. The steering feels really tough, really hard. And I hope I didn't leave this on. But it's got a little hummingbird. Mama! Mama. There you go. It's got a hummingbird, little fish finder, something simple. I like this little storage compartment here. You can add stuff here, whatnot. ¿Qué es eso, mamá? And then we got one little storage compartment here. It's got a whole bunch of stuff in it. The previous guy, I can't take it out. The previous guy still left all his junk in here. The trim works here. So the trim works here. They say the trolling motor works, but man, this thing looks like junk, dude. It looks like it's from the 90s. I wouldn't be surprised if it's, God knows how many freaking thrust it has. I'm not sure, it doesn't say. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's like a 45 or even, yeah, like a 45, I would say. Maybe less. It didn't say. Anyway, I think my daughter is liking it a lot. It's got a radio on it. Speakers. All this is aluminum. No hardwood or wood at all. It's all aluminum. This is a rod holder here. Put your rods in there. There's a storage compartment under this seat there too. So, la mano, mama. Alright. And yeah, tires are okay, not too bad. Now, one thing I just realized is it doesn't have the thing to support the boat in the back. Dude, I brought it all the way home like that. So, yeah, alright. We made it this far, so it's a 2-hour drive, 2 hours and 30 minutes, and nothing happened, so. But I'm sure I have to be more careful with it. One thing I did notice, this here is just a random hose. And this was disconnected, man. I don't know why. So I think I should plug it back in and see what happens. But I think I'll do that after I get the motor running here in a minute. So I just want to tell you guys, thank you for tuning in. I really hope you guys enjoy this series. I'm gonna put in a lot of work for it, so I hope you guys are gonna subscribe, like, and see the kind of content I'm gonna create, and hopefully it helps some of you guys out in some of the things. My plans for this boat is obviously I'm gonna put new carpet on this boat. I'm gonna work on the center console there, make it look better, maybe put in a new steering wheel, you know, for sure put new seats on it, put new, maybe add on some storage boxes, do some aluminum welding here and there, and then for sure put some, maybe a front graph and a center graph, and then a new trolling motor. I really wish I could put a spot lock, but they're very expensive, so I don't know about that. There, eventually I'm gonna get this bad boy running just right, and I'm gonna take my family out there for the first time and get it all on video. I'm not gonna wait to put in new carpet and stuff to take them out. I'm just gonna do it. We're just gonna take it on a spin and see how it works. But other than that, guys, thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned. There's a lot to come. And yeah, so we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.